Hi, Raj. This is Anji.
Hey.
So my question is like, am I audible?
Yeah, you are.
Yeah, sure. So we have a requirement like, so we have three different parameters. So one is a day parameter, which will have the day values like each day, first, then second, and third. And we have a peak parameter. So which will hold the values like week start and weekend combination to select that particular week. And we have one more parameter like month, like January month, February month, in that way. So now we have one more parameter like day, week, month, selection the drop down. So when I say it should display the day parameter. When I select month, it should display month parameter. And when I select week,
displaying parameters dynamically is not possible, as far as I know.
Not possible.
Not possible. Dynamically displaying, no, there is a parameter, you can show that, but dynamically displaying the parameters is not possible. But one way I see that is possible is a container. Like you can put your parameters in a container, and every container has this show hide buttons. Right? So there should be one, like if someone rather see selection of a parameter or a filter cannot initiate this open and close of a, what do you say, a container, right? Only, let me put some sheet in.
Okay. So the particular button option is like just when we click on that show and hide, right? So it's like a click of a button, it will
click of
hide
a button,
and
it will show.
But on.
Yeah.
But on part of a selection, my requirement is like the user requirement is like when they select day, right? So they should be able to see all the day values when they select day. So they should be able to see a day chart. Like
no,
only
that
day,
as far as I know, that facility is not present when it comes to not even filters. Also, single select only one way of parameter filters. You can hide them and show them when required. But parameters, there is no such way.
Okay, so what is the alternative way then in that case? Basically, they want for a day when they select, they want to be
container. When they select, then show that container that they are just on that. Just click here for month parameters, and they'll click here. They'll say get the parameters, and then they can get it. That is the
drop down. Can we achieve that with the Elpo drop down? Like
no, not based on drop down. You should give them a button to click.
Button.
Right? Yeah, okay. So that is what I said. Selection based on parameter and what do you say? These selections, it's not possible.
Okay. So if it's in that case, then I have to give three different buttons, right?
Yeah, three different buttons. Yes.
So when I click on button one, right, so the pop-up will appear. So when I click on the month, again that pop-up will appear. So that will become clumsy, right?
Obviously, but showing them dynamically is not. I don't know any way as of. There might be a way, but I don't know anything. Because as far as
I have seen in one. Yeah, please go ahead. Sorry.
As far as I see, parameters. The main thing is parameters are static. By static, I mean parameters values are fixed and they are loaded only when you are loading your workbook. Once the workbook is loaded, the values in parameters, you cannot change them. Unless until it is a parameter action and based on your selection, the value is popped. That's a different thing. But you cannot change values in the parameter. And there is no way, there are certain ways to hide the filter values, but hiding parameter values, I haven't seen. If you have any link, just do provide me with that link. If that is possible, I'll go through that and I'll let you know.
Yeah, I found one link. So which is like the parameter is on side of the. I mean, it is onto the right side of the left selection. Okay, but the thing is, I want it below the selection. So I have three different parameters. So that's where my issue is.
Yeah, if you share me that link where you found it.
Sure.
Right.
Yeah.
Then.
So I can ping it on the WhatsApp number, right?
Yeah, you can ping it on the WhatsApp. Yes.
Yeah, sure.
Okay.